This is Brock with Heritage Tractor. I'm going to walk through a standard TCM calibration on a Gen 4 monitor. We're going to start out on the home page. We're going to hit Menu, Applications. We're going to scroll until we find StarFire. Hit our StarFire button. I'm going to go ahead and select that. In Setup, TCM Cal, we're going to hit the Calibrate button. I have a fixed point out the side of the tractor lined up with the axle, so I'm set up there. I'm going to hit go. I'm going to let it process. Now it is telling me to completely turn around and put my fixed point face the other direction, utilizing the same fixed point. I have to come back on the same path I was on, get myself lined up with my rear axle lined up in the same place it was, and calibrate. I overshot it just a little bit. There it is. Calibrating again. I successfully calibrated the TCM.